I'm Mike from Airdrie, Alberta. I'm reviewing the Greenworks 60-volt 16-inch direct drive trimmer, which I've put to the test by trying to tackle all my home edging and trimming, which I've left through May and into June as part of No Mo May. I've even tried to use it on 2 to 3 foot weeds that have been thriving in one of my window wells, where I thought I'd have no choice but to eventually spray them. The trimmer made easy work of everything I could throw at it, including some very thick weeds. I was amazed at how quickly and easily it took care of the job, and I've never been able to trim such thick grass and weeds in only one pass. The battery was also deceptively light, much lighter than my 30-volt battery, but I've now done the front and backyard 3 times, and it should still have enough charge to go another couple rounds. I was also amazed that I was getting gas trimmer power out of a trimmer that was so quiet. The only thing that I'd be cautious of is underestimating the 60-volt power of the trimmer, or how much cutting area 16 inches is. Especially when trimming around the base of trees, I quickly found that the 16-inch trimmer has considerably more cutting area than my 13-inch trimmer had. I got used to the cutting diameter pretty quickly, so it only really affected 1 or 2 of my trees. Also, please make sure that you're wearing safety glasses and other protective equipment, as this trimmer can launch mulch, stones, etc., or when you have small children, Lego, marbles, and plastic dinosaurs very easily. I'd certainly recommend the Greenworks 60-volt 16-inch direct drive trimmer to family and friends, especially if they have a large yard or are trying to tackle commercial applications. Thanks.